Hello, guys. How are we all doing today? I hope we all are doing well today. You all are all welcome to my channel today. You are all highly welcome. My name is Ella, and this is STJ Beauty and Cosmetic Salon. Our customer walk in and demand for packing gel, something that she will stand up within the period of 1 hour 30 minutes. So we choose this style for her, this packing gel style for her, with one small attachment. So we have to work with the one small attachment because she doesn't have time to waste. This is it. The outcome was very fine, very lovely, and she's in love with her hair. The working process was very neat and beautiful. Both the coils came out very fine. Please, if you have not subscribed with us, please do wait to subscribe with us. And to all our return subscribers, we say a very big thank you to you all. Thank you. We really appreciate and we love you all. Please do wait to subscribe, share, like, and follow. Comment if you have any question or anything to find out about us. Please do wait to do that at the comment section, and we'll be there to receive and answer all your questions. Thank you all. Please, we also train in case if you want to learn. Message us and we'll give you direction on how to go about it. Thank you all. This is another style. She also working with being in a hurry to leave within the period of 1 hour. So we have to choose the crochet for her, and this is the outcome of the crochet. We did not have the time to start the video from beginning to the end, but this is the finishing part of it. The hair came out very fine and neat, and she loved her hair, and this is it. Very sweet and beautiful. The crochet is Darling product, and she loves it. If possible, I think I showed the pack of the Darling products. You will get to see the products in question. Please do wait to subscribe with us, and if you have subscribed with us, we say a very big thank you. Subscription is actually free. Please do wait to subscribe. See my people that are very very generous with the mousse and other things we have in that store. We say a very big thank you all. Please, if you have not come to make your hair with us, please try to come and make your hair with us. If you're very close to us, please come. We'll be expecting you. And want to announce to you guys that we'll open a second place, that is the spa. That will be a spa by Monday. We'll give you the update of the opening. We say a very big thank you. Thank you all for your love and support, for everything. We say a very big thank you all. I think this is the pack of the hair, the empty pack of the hair, the finishing. This is it. Thank you guys. We love you guys. We really appreciate. Please do wait to subscribe with us. Thanks a million times. Wow, she's good to go. Honestly, this hair is beautiful and great. Bye. Thank you.